Hey guys, good morning. It's Sunday and we got our fan. So we're gonna put it up.
Let's clean up this mess here before I make a worse mess. But my glass is all fogged up and everything. Oh, now I got a spot here where I can see the plaster.
Huh?
I got a spot here. I can see the plaster. I have to paint it before. Shit.
Says we'll paint it. I'll paint it.
Morning, everybody. So, like my wife said, we're putting up a fan. I just want you to take a look at that. So they gave us the blades, and then they have screws already up top here. I'll show you in a second. So they have screws already up there to hold the blade. I'll show you the screws they give you. This is crazy. So these are the screws here, right? Look at the thread that I got underneath. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like barely any thread there left. So, I mean, I don't know how they expect you to screw that. I don't know how they expect you to screw that fan on and have it stay there when you got two threads maybe that's going to go into the unit. It's crazy. I don't know why they don't give you longer screws. It's just stupid. It's beyond me. I don't understand. Those are the problems sometimes you get over here in the Philippines when you're ordering from Lazada or Shopee. Those are the issues you encounter. I don't know what's the reason for it, but yeah, sometimes it's a hit, sometimes it's a miss, and looks like it's a miss. I might have to go find some screws myself to hold that thing because when that thing is spinning around, you don't want that thing coming loose and hitting somebody in the head there, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna go try and find some screws. I'll let you know how it goes. Well, we got the screws working. They're short, but I got them in there. I'm reefing them on as tight as I can get them so they don't fall off. Hey, give me the bottom. Give me that screwdriver. I'm gonna give you this.
Ah,
We got lights.
we got lights.
Just high and low, is that it?
Supposed to be, yeah, 3.
Okay, so let's try. We got fan. Actually, it's nice, eh?
Right? Doesn't go man.
Huh?
Doesn't have that.
No, you shouldn't have it.
That's what you said.
No, I said I don't know. It may.
Yeah.
Try two.
That's 6 speed, right?
Uh-huh. That's two there.
Okay.
That's three.
I can feel the air
I
here.
can feel it too, yeah. I'll see the light over. So yeah, that looks okay.
Mm.
I don't know if I'd want to go with 6 though.
That's 6?
That's 1. No, 6 is gonna be really hard.
4 though.
You want to go to 6?
4. Try it. What's that, 4?
That's 4. Five. 6. Hello everyone. We're heading out. We're going to a birthday party, friend's birthday party. Should be interesting. A few things happening there tonight besides the birthday party, we think. So we're going to take you with us and show you what's going on. We'll see you over there. Later. We are at the Bella Napoli Bar and Resort. I'll show you guys this. It looks pretty nice here. We're here to pick up the pizza. This is where they ordered the pizza from. So take a look at this resort. Really nice little place if anybody's looking for a place to stay. Oh, this is where you walk in over there. There's parking in the front. And you got some foosball, soccer. Pond. Nice decor of plants and stuff. Looks good. Grass is nice and green. A place over there to stay. They got a few rooms there. And then they got a few rooms over in the back. Look at the pool, guys. Look at the nice pool they got. Wow. Super nice. And then they've got a bar over there. I don't know if you guys can see that from the sun. Blaring in my eyes. I blocked out.
That's a cactus.
I don't want to get dirty from the cactus. Some seats here. They got a restaurant here as well. You sit down. A nice bar. Looks good. There's the pizza guys and lasagna. I forgot he got a lasagna as well. So pizza and lasagna. So we made our second stop. We're just picking up some sourdough now for the party. We picked up pizzas and lasagna, and he asked us to pick up sourdough, so we're just waiting here for the sourdough. Sourdough is there. Same place we got the sourdough. I don't know if you can see the sign. Right up there. Alright, we got the sourdough. We're heading out. There's the sourdough, guys. Oh yeah, look at that. Lots.
Oh, it's still hot.
So, that's okay. It's okay. Nothing wrong with that. There's the party, guys. Bravo.
Nice job. All right, let me say a prayer and then we'll go ahead.
I wouldn't want to do that. There's a blood pressure in my head.
Dear Lord Jesus, we just thank you for this day. We thank you for this.
It's all the food, guys. Oh, the lechon is there. The lasagna, the pizza, sourdough. Wow.
Happy birthday. So I'm going to say happy birthday for you from Carl, a very smart boy, very self-accomplished and very independent. He's had to do a lot on his own, given the OFW circumstances. He's on the dance. This was the first time we saw each other. I'm Eric, and this is Lee. And we're here in Hong Kong, and we've been spending time together here today. We're making this video in the hopes of, in the future, we plan to do like a YouTube channel together and kind of talk about.
Don't push it, buddy. I understand now. That was good.
Hi Lynn, you having fun? You got quite a waterfall behind you there. The water's pretty cold? Yeah, just found that out. Oh, having fun here. 68-year-old Papa. It's inside the boot.
Tissue?
Tissue.
Tissue?
Tissue. More tissue. I think there's something underneath all that tissue. I hope. So I don't know if you remember this, but 2 years ago you said you wanted to be engaged by your 40th birthday. So Lynn, you're the love of my life. You're everything to me. Will you marry me? Yes? Oh, good. What if she said no? I have to put this on your finger, huh? Okay, there we go.
I can't see.
You don't know.
This is what I'm waiting for. you need to marry me before in my parties.
Yeah, remember, the timing's good, so the answer is yes? Yeah? Okay, good. Just want to be clear. We got public audience, we got a contract. Yeah, don't lose it. That's the certificate that her parent the diamond there. Came all the way from Belgium. So. All right. I guess the last thing, we just need to sing her happy birthday, and then we can visit as long as you guys want, but we should probably sing her happy birthday and then pull out the cakes maybe. All right, here we go. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Where's my cake?
They're coming.
Where's my cake?
Well, I thought it would be special for everybody to share in on this. And we got our closest friends here, and I can't believe all of you we didn't know 9 months ago. That's just crazy. But thanks for being here and wanted to have it special for her.
Yeah. Now you need another one more ring. The wedding ring.
Well, I guess we gotta plan that. There we go. Happy 40th birthday. Congratulations.
You need to sing again.
We need to sing again.
We need to sing again.
Just say it.
The first one was a practice.
Practice run.
Was there a lighter?
Just bring your cake to the kitchen so you can light that candle.
I'm engaged now.
I guess we're gonna sing again. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. You need to sing. Happy birthday to me.
Okay, we're good? And one more time.
Watch the Flintstones. I showed her the clip.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy anniversary. Oh yeah. Happy anniversary. Yeah. And then it just keeps going. And she was.
Thank you everybody for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring that bell. Thanks again, guys.
Like what makes